Hello and welcome to another video. Oh my gosh. Hi, video number 2 on this channel. So today I am off to a waterfall up in the Southern Highlands. Currently I'm on my way to go and meet everyone. So we're here. It's Tuesday, it's 1 PM, going into the afternoon, and we're off to see a waterfall. Let's go try find the whole crew. I have no idea where they are or if they're even here, so I'm gonna go do that and I'll see you guys in a bit. Something mildly strange, but I actually love this little toilet that's sitting in the middle of the bush here. Have a look at it. Drop toilets. Bit average. So I just got a text from Rain saying that they found an injured bird, so they're taking it back to the Airbnb, which I don't actually know where that is, but I think it's half an hour from here.
The person you are calling is not available. Please.
Okay, so supposedly everyone's back at the Airbnb, so I'm gonna have to try find the address of that and see what happens. I can hear the falls. I'm gonna explore this area for a little while.
Okay, waterfall right there.
Oh my gosh, I actually just crashed my drone into a tree, and somehow, like, the drone managed to upright itself. I went straight into the trees off the side of the cliff there, and it would have fallen all the way to the bottom of the valley, and there would have been no way to get that drone back, and it probably would have smashed in 1,000 pieces. But somehow, like, I flew it straight into this tree, and I think it crashed into like multiple trees, and it somehow managed to like upright itself, and I managed to fly it back out of the trees. Oh my gosh, I'm feeling so anxious right now. Holy moly bajoli.
I could actually just, alright, so here we have, ladies and gentlemen, Dattenborough's out, so Josh, your boy, is in. We are currently driving in, where are we?
Something Waterfall.
Some